I do a lot of project work where I go and I fix up someone's QuickBooks. For reasons that I can't even explain, I find myself taking data and splitting it into multiple columns before I can go do the work I'm doing. I thought maybe this would be a good video for anybody who needs to know how to do this. In this example, I want to pretend that I need to split these names into 2 columns. Maybe I need first name, last name, whatever the case is. You know the situations where this would apply. And if you don't, you're probably not watching this video. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate in Excel, and then I'll demonstrate in Google Sheets. All I need to do is just grab my column. I need to go to the top of my screen and select Data. When I select Data, I have this list. I'm looking for text to columns. So I'm going to select that, and then I have the option to say, do I want to separate my text into multiple columns based on characters like commas or tabs, or based on fixed width? I don't want to do it based on fixed width, but let me show you what it looks like. I'm going to select Next. I can kind of like pick the divider line. So if you have a situation where you're like, I need to chop it off at like a particular point, you'd choose fixed width. But almost everything I do, it's delimited. So I'm going to select that. I'll select Next. By default, it's suggesting that I want to split my text into columns based on tabs. And I'm like, no, based on spaces. So let me go ahead and go here, go to space. You can see a preview of what it's going to look like. I don't have this example, but sometimes you'll have like a semicolon or something. But so I do it based on spaces. I click Next. I click Finish. Here it is. The font is not the same, and that doesn't really matter, but what I can do is just click on my format and then format painter it. So this is how you do it in Excel. Let me just demonstrate Google Sheets. Okay, so I'm in Google Sheets. I'm going to highlight. I'm going to go to Data. This time I'm just going to go down, split text 2 columns. Down here, it's kind of hard to see, but at the bottom of my screen it says separator and it's offering me options. I'll click the drop down that says semicolon and change it to space. And then it just creates 2 columns based on the fact that there was a space between the 2 words. All right, I hope that helps. If there's anything that you might need help with, feel free to let me know. If it's something that I do, I'll make a quick video for it. If it's not something I do, I'll tell you that and be like, gosh, I don't know. But I'm happy to make videos on anything that can help people. Okay, thanks. Bye.